Well, in case anybody was curious, some of the reviews state that on these 20 to 2023 2500 GM trucks, the driver's side swing case doesn't fit. All you got to do is take off this, I don't know, handlebar that I don't know if anybody uses, and put it on. This is far more useful to me than the handlebar. As people state, it does block your light here a bit on the driver's side, and on the passenger side, it obviously blocks the light here, and it also blocks your what is that, the 120 volt dealio? Yeah, I think it's a 120 volt deal. Otherwise, can't complain a whole lot. Very functional. Very easy to install. Follow the instructions. I guess I'll just record that just in case anybody's curious. But yeah, you just put that guy on right there. You made him up, screw him in, and slap the case on. And then the only other thing is this this lock here. You can put that on to help prevent theft of the entire case. So hope that helps somebody.